could forget your name. Wish I didn't have to see you to ease all my pain, but I need you. You are like the air I breathe. I wish that I could live without you, but you're what beats inside of me. Ooh, baby, that's why I hate you more than anything in this world. 'Cause I think I love you too much. I hate you more than anything in this world, but you know I love you for life. Girl, you know you're really, like really always on my mind. Why you think every time you leave me, I check up on you every time? And if you don't call me and tell me that you're okay, I feel a burning desire to find you right away. And that's why I hate you more than anything in this world. 'Cause I think I love you too much. I hate you more than anything in this world.